Hi, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps section. Then click on App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully added to home screen. You can always adjust those two options before exiting those settings. Tap on when using quick functions and tap on the best option for you. And choose Rename App Clone to pick new name for your app. In my case, Facebook too. To save this new name, click on Save in Rename App Clone pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!